Alright, so hella sand, hella rust.
That's the worst one. Oh shit, that's hot.
1 second. Ignore my pink gloves. They're the longest gloves I could find in the store, but look at that. I don't see any rust. I don't know about you fellas. Look pretty good. Now, just gotta get the simple green off. Gonna just drop them in that bucket of water there real quick. I'll be right back, guys. End result is a rust-free, wet, it's wet, but rust-free. Couple of the deep stuff I couldn't get, like there. Look at that though. Not too bad for not having to spend any time, just a machine you put it in and walk away. I'm gonna hit these with my little blow dryer now, and then I'll be right back. I gotta just oil these up. Look how beautiful. Alright, no rust now. But literally any rust. They all clean up beautifully. Got them all nice and oiled in my little zippy bag. That's it, fellas. Ultrasonic cleaner is fucking awesome. If you don't have one, save yourself hours on steel wool and try the fucking Crewworks ultrasonic cleaner. I got the 15 liter. I love it. M1 Garand clips with no scrubbing. Does the same to gun parts, whatever you want to clean, remove rust, degrease. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, fellas. Subscribe for more.